Reviews best motorcycles with reverse gears. BMW K1600 GTL. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of luxury touring motorcycles, specifically those that offer advanced features like reverse gear. We have a real gem to showcase, the BMW K1600 GT. This versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The BMW K1600 GT is a powerful and comfortable touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,649 cubic centimeters inline-six engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the K1600 GT is its reverse gear. This innovative feature makes maneuvering the heavy bike in tight spaces much easier, especially when parking or reversing out of a garage. In addition to the reverse gear, the K1600 GT comes with a host of advanced features, including a large TFT display, adaptive cruise control, heated grips and seats, and a premium audio system. The bike also features spacious panniers and a top case for ample storage space. Design and aesthetics. The K1600 GT has a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a modern and sophisticated look. Its chrome accents and bold styling give it a timeless appeal. Target audience and relevance. The K1600 GT is ideal for riders who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable touring motorcycle with advanced features. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and iconic design make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The K1600 GT has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and luxurious features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The K1600 GT is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular touring motorcycles, the BMW K1600 GT stands out for its advanced technology and premium features. Its reverse gear, adaptive cruise control, and luxurious amenities make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The BMW K1600 GT is a well-rounded touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, including the reverse gear, make it a practical and convenient choice for long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable touring motorcycle, the K1600 GT is definitely worth considering.